Rascal and the Dragon Droppings by Paul Jennings. Illustrated by Bob Lee. Rascal did tiny poos. Weak, said the kids. Bomber did high poos. Great, said the kids. Sniff did smelly poos. Excellent, said the kids. Ruff did two poos. Terrific, said the kids. Shovel did long poos. Fantastic, said the kids. Flora did private poos. Nobody saw them. Rascal was sad. His poo was no good. On Monday, Rascal ate his dinner, but he did not poo. On Tuesday, Rascal ate his dinner, but he did not poo. On Wednesday, Rascal ate his dinner, but he did not poo. On Thursday, Dad got some medicine. You must poo, said Ben, or you will be sick. Rascal did not want the medicine. He ran down the street. Rascal ran into the park. Stop, yelled Ben. No, 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 said Ben. Don't poo in the park, Rascal. But it was too late. Rascal did a poo in the park. But no one minded at all. Amazing, said the kids. It's the best poo ever. How many Rascal books can you read? Choose a different one and read it to Mum or Dad. You can find more Rascal books in your school library or public library.